Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Mr. Adebanjo, and I want to welcome you to this video. In this video, we are going to be factorizing this mathematical expression on the screen right now. We are going to be factorizing this mathematical expression. In the thumbnail of this video, I wrote, can you factorize this? So it's a question and it's a challenge. Can you factorize this mathematical expression? This is one of the questions given to them in a Mathematics Olympiad. It was given to the student to factorize, and it is quite a little bit challenging. So I'm throwing the question at you as well. Throwing at the viewers, can you factorize this mathematical expression? So let me give you like 2 seconds to reflect on it. Can you factorize this? If you are seeing it for the first time, do you think you can factorize it? So you may need to pause the video and try to uh, do something on it if you can. Then if you cannot, then let's try to factorize it together. So we are having s raised to power 6 plus 7 s squared minus 8. That's what we want to factorize. So let's see how we can do that. Now, this is the mathematical expression we want to factorize. But s raised to power 6 can be written as s raised to power 3 raised to power 2 according to the law of indices. That is, this power 3 can multiply 2 according to the law of indices. So 3 raised to 3 times 2 give us 6 back. So this one can be written as this. I believe you agree with me on that. So if that is the case, so you can see that you're having s raised to power 3 here, you're having s raised to power 3 here. So we can substitute that with another variable, or we can call that another variable. So let's call s raised to power 3a. That is, let's replace this s raised to power 3 by variable a. So let a equals to s raised to power 3. Then what would that mathematical expression reduce to? Then you'll be having a squared here. Since you have called this one a, you'll be having a squared plus 7a minus 8. And this is a quadratic expression that we can resolve. So this is a quadratic expression. So we can resolve this quadratic expression by looking for the factors of minus 8. That when we multiply together, you are looking for the two factors of minus 8. When you multiply them together, it give us minus 8, and when you add them together, it give us plus 7 here. So based on the knowledge of the quadratic equation or quadratic expression, so we want to factorize this now. So if you can factorize this, then we'll see what you can do from there. How can we factorize this? By looking for two factors of 8 that you can multiply together to give us minus 8, and when you add them together, it give us plus 7. So what are the two factors? And that should be plus 8 minus 1. Plus 8 minus 1 are the two factors. So if you do that, that means you'll be having a squared plus 8a minus a, because the two factors are a plus 8 and minus 1. So if this one will replace plus 7a here, so we'll be having a squared plus 8a minus 8 minus a rather minus 8. So this we can now factorize based on the knowledge of quadratic equation or expression. Then from there, if you factorize that a is common to this, you have a into a plus 8. Then minus 1 is common to this, you have a minus 1 into a plus 8. Knowing fully well that the two brackets must be the same thing. Then if you do that, that means you bring a minus 1 together, then a plus 8. Or you pick one of these two brackets, then you have this. You'll be having a minus 1 into a plus 8. So that means you have been able to factorize this quadratic expression to get these two brackets. Then we recall that our a is x raised to power 3, so we can return that back into this two brackets. So we remember that our a is equals to x raised to power 3. So if you return that here, you have x raised to power 3 minus 1 into x raised to power 3 plus 8. So we can do something further here. So what can we do? We can rewrite x raised to power 3 minus 1 and x raised to power 3 plus 8 as this x raised to power 3 minus 1 raised to power 3, because 1 raised to power 3 will still give us 1. Also, we have x raised to power 3 plus 2 raised to power 3. 3 raised to power 3 will still give us 8 here. We agreed. You agree to that? So if you agree to that, then we can expand this, or sorry, you can factorize this rather. You can factorize this as well. So let's see how you can factorize this bracket and factorize this bracket as well. So if you factorize these two brackets, we have s minus 1 into s squared plus s plus 1. This bracket here, s cubed minus 1 cubed, will give us these two brackets. Because if you use this bracket to multiply this bracket, it's going to give us s cubed minus 1 back. So if you use this to multiply this linear expression to multiply this quadratic expression, if you multiply them out, then it will give us s cubed minus 1 left. Likewise, this expansion of this bracket is this one as well. Or sorry, this if you factorize this bracket, you have these two brackets. That is when you multiply s plus 1, s plus 2 by this bracket, you have s cubed plus 2 raised to power 3 or s cubed plus 8 back. So this cannot be factorized any longer. This is a quadratic expression you cannot factorize, and also this quadratic expression you cannot factorize further. So technically you can try it out if you want to confirm. Use this to multiply this, it will give you s cubed minus 1 back. Likewise, if you multiply this one by this one, it's going to give us s cubed plus 8 back. So since we cannot factorize this one again, we cannot factorize this one again, so that means technically the expansion of or when you factorize factorize s raised to power 6 plus 7 s cubed minus 8, it's going to give us s minus 1 into s squared plus s plus 1 into s plus 2 into s squared minus 2s plus 4. So this cannot be factorized any further. So technically, when you factorize this, you have this, and it is a correct answer. So that is how to factorize this uh, mathematical expression given to them in Mathematics Olympiad. So I hope you have been able to learn one or two things from this video. So thank you for watching. Do subscribe if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, so that you'll be notified whenever we post information on this platform. Thank you and God bless you.